everyone, it's Street Auto Plaza located in Mount Carmel, Illinois. Today we're viewing a 2017 CHRYSLER Pacifica Limited. It's got the 3.6 liter V6 automatic 9-speed transmission, 129,000 miles. Clean Carfax, one owner, city gets 18 and highway gets 28 mpgs. We're going to start with the front of this vehicle on this virtual tour and go all the way around, and we'll go to the inside and test all electronics. Very good condition, very clean. Headlights, front bumper, everything. I don't really see many rock chips at all. This front hood has a little bitty rock chip right there. Extremely clean. Front fender, nothing to note, no issues. The tires are brand new. Front rim is good condition. Passenger front door is in good condition along with the front mirror. Passenger rear do have a little bit of dilapidation right in there. Rear quarter, nothing to note. Rear bumper cover, nothing to note. Rim, excellent condition along with the tires. All tires are all new. All right, moving around the back side of this thing. The deck lid is fine, nothing to note, but the rear bumper cover, I don't know what's happened. They've backed into something right here. That's the very bottom bumper cover. Right here, nothing to note on the back bumper. Rear quarter, nothing to note. Along the tires are new, and rim, excellent condition. Driver's rear door, nothing to note. Actually, yeah, there is one really light scratch right here. Driver's front door. There's a little scratch right here. Front fender, nothing to note. Rim, excellent condition, along with the tread. Alright, we'll go to the interior of this vehicle. Driver's front door skin, excellent condition. It does have power seats. It does work as they should. There is a puncture in this plastic right here, and looks like a little tear here and here. I'm gonna go ahead and start this car up. Right now it's got 129,798. That's 129,798. Go ahead and start it. Starts up great, no issues. Right now, yeah, like I said, it's 129,798 on the miles. Next oil change is 133,102. So fresh service on this thing. We're gonna do a quick rev test. There's your RPMs. Nothing to note there. Runs out and drives out nice. Cruise control, all that comes on. Let's go ahead and go through the front here. This car's got so many options, so we're just going to try to go through everything. I'm sure I'm going to miss stuff. It's your backup camera, and you've got 4 different views of how you'd like to see it. Parking assist, lane departure. This thing will help drive itself, so if you get close to the white line, it'll take yourself back. Automatic off. I can't even remember what it is now. Ice cold AC in this thing. Let's see, and here's your key. It does have Blu-ray DVD in here. I think there is one, and hopefully it's playing. Sunroof. So you can open the rear door on both sides and the rear hatch. Here's your lights, which are already on because I have the door open. Sunroof, how does this? Oh yeah, it's up here. Sunroof works as it should. And then it's got a sunshade, which I think is this one. Yeah. Sunshade works as it should. Go ahead and leave that open. Said it's got all kinds of stuff. 12 volt USB down here, storage, auxiliary USB up here, more storage in here. The back will pull out for drinks back in here. Awesome stereo system in it. Navigation, of course. It's got all kinds of apps, controls, heated steering wheel, vented seats, heated seats, your surround view. You know, it's got, this thing's loaded. This thing's even got a vacuum cleaner inside of it, so hopefully I remember that. Moving on, we'll go through all the interior. We're gonna go on the driver's side first. And we'll do all your windows. All windows are functioning, and automatic doors. It is stow and go, so these will fold inside the floor. You press this and it'll take it up far enough for the stow to actually go inside here and to get the seat inside. I don't know if you press it again if it goes back or not. Yeah, it does. TVs, both are working. I don't know if you guys see it. Headphones down here. Good interior in here. Get in the back. They've got their own sunroof back there. You can see that there's shades. You can play that black thing right there and pull that thing up for shading on each side. Power rear hatch. Like I said, these are stow and go. Let's see, stow. Where these things are going. There's another thing there that I think will move the front seat forward. So there's your stow and go. And these will go all the way in the floor too, so it's basically you have a truck. Back here is the stow vac, and this thing actually has some serious power, which is, let me get in here. It's right here. This is a vacuum cleaner, and let me press on. You can hear it running. It's actually got some power. Pretty cool option. Get back out of here. Got it all dirty. Alright, normal. So like I said, everything works as it should. Moving on to the passenger side. Seats excellent condition. You got a 115 volt, 115 volt back here. Like I said, the back seats are in excellent condition. Nothing to note there. Very clean, no odors. There's this TV going. Looks like chocolate factory. Here's a remote. Okay, passenger front seat. We do have a tear right here. It is power functioned and all does work. We do have books. Your dash is intact. Like I said, guys, there's probably a lot of more options I'm actually missing here. We'll go underneath the hood next. It's a 3.6 liter V6, very clean. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up this virtual tour. You are viewing a 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Limited. It does have that 3.6 liter V6, automatic 9-speed transmission, 129,000 miles, clean Carfax with one owner, city 18, highway 28 MPGs. If you got any more questions for us, give us a call at 618-450-2600, or you can get us on the web at streetautoplaza.com. You can see the Carfax's video at streetautoplaza.com. I hope this helped your buying experience, and you guys have a wonderful day.